We are in the Langtang Valley in Nepal. Good morning guys, this seems like as good a time to start this video as any. Over the next week I'm going to be trekking through the Langtang Valley. This is right at the beginning. We have, excuse me guys, we have 6 to 7 days of hiking through this, no Wi-Fi, no SIM card, and I think this is going to be a really cool trip. Right, look at this guys, it all grows naturally here. All of this is marijuana, sweet Mary Jane. I actually don't know the legality here. Is it legal? It's not legal. It might be legal here. We think it.
They don't grow it here. I mean, they don't grow to sell. It's pretty much a weed that grows on the road, and the Nepalese people barely even bother with like growing and selling it.
So no one would really like pick this, you think?
No, and apparently if you did try to grow and sell it, like you would kind of like the police might be on you about it.
Okay. So yeah, we won't be smoking, also because our fitness is atrocious and that's not going to help. We're actually going up to about 5,000 meters in this also, so the altitude is going to kind of hit. Genuinely guys, it is everywhere. Like, all of this is weed. It's funny, like I used to smoke a little bit when I was younger, and how hard it is to grow in places like England, but here it just sprouts up absolutely everywhere and completely grows naturally. Hey guys.
There's more of that.
Alright, it's our first rope bridge of the day. I think there's going to be a lot of these. Woo! Okay, look at this guys, this is our bridge. Going across, so that was the bridge, and this is now the bridge. Oh dear. Look at that, they've got rocks to balance it out. That's hilarious. Like, half of it's just falling down, and this is the way. Oh. There's no railings either side. Look. Brilliant. Okay, it's getting a little bit steeper now. The weather's really nice though, it's nice and cool. We're in the shade, got a bit of a breeze, and we're only about 1 hour away from lunch. It's lunchtime and we're at the town of Bamboo. That's his real name, Bamboo Town. Just got a dal bhat, which is going to be our food for the next 4 or 5 days, I think. But I'm not complaining because it is great. You've got your potatoes, your poppadoms,
potatoes, soya,
got your rices. Round 2. Yes, please. Thank you. Lunch over. I just went for the double dal bhat. And now we've got the rest of the hike for today to complete. Now we go up. Right, have a look at this. We just came around the corner and we're confronted by this giant waterfall. This is actually incredible. Like, why is this not famous? We've made it to Lama Hotel. And that's not a hotel, by the way, it's the name of the place. But there is also a hotel here. This is our stop for the night. This is where we're sleeping. And it's actually a pretty good time. We've got like an hour of light left. So we're just gonna check in, chill out, and spend the rest of the night here. Yeah. What's going on here?
Yeah, I mean, and tattoos. Feet tattoos. I made it.
Oh, I'm a new friend. How you doing, mate?
2, 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Dressing style.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
It got me. So I just learned something really cool, a way to count in Nepal. Because this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's so cool. So you count like that. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, check it out. So this is our room for the night. That is cool. Got a little view. Luxury.
These are great.
Got a mountain view room, got electricity, got coat hooks. Natural AC. Yeah, cool. Okay, that's it for the night. We just had a quick dinner and now we're going to sleep early. It's only about 8:30 because we're up in the morning at 7 to start walking again. See you in the morning. Good morning and welcome to day 2 of the Langtang Valley trek. We've got the ginger tea to get us ready for the hike. I think we have about 7 hours to go today. A few people were feeling pretty ill yesterday. I think Rich is struggling a bit, but I think it was just from the food, not from the altitude yet because we're only 2,500 meters, but we are actually going up to 5,000, so we kind of need to be a bit careful as we go up. How are you feeling now, Rich?
Yeah, better.
Better?
Yeah.
You look a picture of health.
I'm thrown up this morning, so that's always good.
It's a good start.
Maybe I'm too bloated for it.
There's no fresh water available up where we are right now, so instead of keep buying the plastic mineral water which they sell on the way up, we've just got this family to boil up some water and then we're refilling our bottles so then we can use that instead. Yeah. So the thing is, like, I would like to support the families going up and like buy the water, but we're paying for this anyway and I just don't want to keep wasting plastic, so instead we're refilling our bottles and paying them for boiling the water. Hey, there you are! How you doing? Let's go, mate! Yeah, and we're off. Day 2, let's go. Let's go, Carla.
Gotta make it up there.
Jam jam. Let's go. Jam jam. Go get him. What's that? What's actually facing off? So he's going for him and the other guy's over here. Okay, check you guys. This is our first glimpse of the mountain right through this gap. Look at that. So that's our first glimpse. And we're going like, that's 8,000 meters I think. We're ages away from it now. We're going to get closer and be able to see that in its full glory. Oh, hey buddy. He's our dog now. And we named him Mama. Yes, you are.
That's great.
You're just gonna stay there all day?
Huh?
Are you gonna stay there all day?
Good.
I probably could too.
Living the dream.
Yeah.
Not that much to report so far. Today has just been like a really nice 3-hour walk. I think we're only an hour away from the first stop. So it was a bit of walking this morning, but it's just been really enjoyable. It's all the way along this one giant river over here. I don't think I've ever seen something quite like this, where we're just walking along. It's like a giant waterfall all the way along the valley. Woo! Okay, 3,000 meters, or 3,008. That's an important 8. It's a bit windy, I don't know if you can hear me, but we are now at 3,008 meters. This is our first tea break for today. Quick tea break. Whoa, quick masala chai. It's very hot right now. Oh wait. We're off again. An hour until lunch, and look who's still here. It's Mama. Mama. Come on, buddy. Let's go. Go for a run. Come on, let's go. You're tired now, are you? Whoa! Just kick out at you.
Did you film
that? Did you get hit?
No.
I just saw it rear.
Whoa! I just wanted to like stroke him. I was like, whoa! He turned around and like briefly kicked at me. Whoa! That scared the shit out of me.
So this whole area was impacted by the 2015 Nepal earthquakes, and even here you can we're walking past a lot of the debris from some of the villages that were just wiped out by the landslides. This whole valley, because it is a giant valley, a lot of the sides just caved in and a lot of people died here. A lot of people decided to move away from Langtang and move to Kathmandu and other villages out of fear that it might happen again. And so that's why this area hasn't got as much tourism anymore as things like Annapurna and Everest. But because of that, the people here do still really need the tourism, need people coming back. So hopefully through this video and the next one, I can kind of show you why this is such a good trek to do. Another day, another Dalbar. Yeah, it looks a good one. So I got my papadum, which is papad here. These things are great. Okay, it's about to get going again, and it looks like it could rain. It's pretty windy now. We're heading up there. How are you feeling now, by the way, Rich?
Yeah, good.
Good? Yeah.
Throw off a lot.
Buddy. What have you found, Momo? Show us where the body is, lassie. Whoa. Okay. Good find, Momo. Okay, it has started raining. Not massively heavily, but it's a bit of rain. And we have probably still an hour and a half to walk. The scenery though is still good. Okay, quick tea break to get out of the rain. And we're only in for about 20 minutes, and once we've come out, it's beautiful. So we're only 30 minutes away from the final place tonight anyway. Okay, so where we're walking through now was Langtang village, and this is a village that was completely wiped out in the 2015 earthquake. There was a landslide, and if you can imagine a whole village being crushed by rocks and sliding down a mountain, that's what happened. So a lot of families and houses were completely wiped out, but we're actually staying in Langtang village tonight because all the survivors have rebuilt it on top of where the previous village was wiped out by the earthquake. So look at this, you can see where it's slid down, and then way off in the distance there is where the new village is being built. Alright, we're almost there. This is like, I think where the landslide was. This is what remains of it. You kind of have to climb across the river to get to where we were going. So we've arrived to Langtang village, and this behind me is the shrine to all the people that died here, both while trekking and living here during the earthquake. Yeah, it's kind of, it's a strange feeling really. It's a somber feeling because you're like, oh, this is obviously a very sad, tragic thing that happened, and it could easily happen to anyone that's trekking here. But also it feels good in a way that people have decided to carry on and rebuild, and now they're opening up to trekking again, because it's just a freak act of nature. This earthquake happens once in 100 years, so I'm told, and yeah, it's just life goes on. These people need the income, need the tourism, and so they need people to start coming back here as well. So we have all the names here. There's about 175 Nepali names, and then these are the international names here. Whoa, look at this, guys. It is rolling in, and we're about to be covered in cloud. There's a bunch of us just getting time lapses here right now because it started way out there, and now it's about to be on top of us. What a place to finish up today. We had the clouds roll in first, and that was just spectacular to see, and now they've all disappeared, and we've got peaks up here, there's a peak up there, and we're gonna see a lot more of them tomorrow. I'm starting to see this is like the beginning of where we start to get to see the mountain ranges, and I'm starting to see how good this trek is, and apparently it just gets better tomorrow and the next day. So I'm actually going to split this into two, because I think this video is already getting a bit long, and there's a lot I want to include, and there's a lot I want to show. So come back in the next video and you'll get to see all of the mountain ranges that we're just getting a glimpse of right now. So for right now, we're going to go have some dinner. I'll say thank you again for watching, and see you in the next video.